The hardest part of becoming independent is leaving. For emperor penguin chicks, this moment has come. With their parents gone, they must leave their icy home and head to the sea. Every challenge prepares them for survival. But one test holds them, a giant petrel. They try to run, but emperors aren't built for speed. One chick stumbles and is caught. The others form a protective circle, standing tall despite their fluffy appearance. It's a standoff. Suddenly, an Adelie penguin, fearless and bold, rushes in facing the petrel. Even petrels back down from an Adelie. The brave Adelie leads the chicks to the sea. Emperor Cam watches as they take this vital step, their journey just beginning.